Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. Happy Valentine's Day! I hope you're spending it in the best way possible, with a special someone or alone, having some quality time with yourself. I am going to spend my Valentine's Day with Sune and we're going to eat dinner in a restaurant called Kurorten Masberg. It's up on a mountain and it's really beautiful. It even has a spa. We have been there once and it was great. Really great actually. And sooner today I am going to go to Skövde, a city about 30 minutes away. I'm going to get my makeup done by a makeup artist at makeup store, and it's my first time getting my makeup done by a real makeup artist. I am so excited to get my makeup done by a makeup artist because I have been wanting to try it, and I think this was a really special day to try it out. I just worked out and I'm going to grab a little snack right now, and I will see you guys soon when I'm in Skövde. Hi again, I have had my makeup done. I forgot to record over there, so I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm really happy with the results actually. I got some tips, I got some inspiration, I bought lipstick, and it's a really nice shade actually. It's like a little lighter pink-ish, and I think it looks really good on me. It's the makeup artist was so nice, and yeah, it was fun talking to her, really. So now me and Sune are going to a restaurant. Well, I'm not going to wear this, I'm going to change in some, I don't know, some bathroom somewhere. But yeah, I will film over there too, so bye-bye. So for the first meal we got a scallop with white fish roe, dill and some crunch. It was so good, and I got some non-alcoholic wine with that. And for the main course we got some calf, some chestnut mushroom, some pickled onions, and I got myself a glass of non-alcoholic red wine with that. And for the dessert I got a red sorbet. That was the first dessert. We got two desserts. This one was really amazing, and it was based on red grapes. And for the next dessert we got some chocolate cream, salted nuts, caramel sauce and some frozen peaches. Hey guys, I just woke up. I'm a little tired. Yesterday I can definitely say that it was my best Valentine's Day I have ever had, because I got to spend it in such a special way. I got my makeup done for the first time by a makeup artist, and I got to eat such a delicious dinner with my fiance, and then we went home, ate a little more. We gave each other Valentine's Day gifts. I gave him candy and a perfume. What he gave me this really beautiful candle holder, and he got me some chocolate called Merci. You can see it right here. It comes with different flavors and it's delicious. It was such a nice day, so if you enjoyed our little Valentine's Day video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and click that little subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!